Hello everyone, today I received the NGTeco D200 Smart Video Doorbell. I will show you what is this and how it works. Let's open it. So first is a quick start guide and one doorbell with the mounting plant and some screws. Okay, and 2 batteries. So let's see how it works. We should insert the battery first. Open the cover. Okay, look at here. There is stickers. We have to remove it. Then we can insert it. Okay, we can hear some voice promote. Now we should go to the app. Its name is NGTeco Home. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. So before using this app, you should register an account. But I have done it before, so I skip that. Now you can see an add device option here. So click that and find out the doorbell. This one is what I have, so click that. Now it tells me we should reset the device first, so let's do it. Here is a reset button. We just need to long press it and wait for 5 seconds. It will give a voice promote.
System reset.
Okay, so now we can go to the next step. So now I need to connect the Wi-Fi for this device. So I will input the correct password here.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So now the step is use the camera to scan the QR code. So let's continue. Here is the QR code. We need to let the camera to scan this QR code. The distance should be 50 to 20 centimeters. And we hear a long beep, so it's done. I heard the promote. So just wait for it adding the device. It's done. Okay, now we can see the video. It will also show you the battery status. And here are some functions like screenshot, speak, record, playback, and photo of bloom. But now I should try the most important things. This doorbell button. Let's click this. Okay. Now I will press this button and let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's so fast. Hello? Okay. If someone come to your house and press this bell, but you are not at home, you still can give a quick response from your phone to tell him when will you back. Okay, let's see if there are any other parameter of this device. So go back to this page. And here is the button at the right corner. So this is the settings page. we can go to change the picture of this device and the name and location, and also can set the tap to run and automation with other smart accessories. Here are some basic function settings. And about this PIR, I have to explain it. PIR means passive infrared. If you turn it on, the doorbell camera will detect the motion. It will send you a message once there is somebody walking by your door. Okay, in short, this is a very smart video doorbell for your home. NGTeco, this brand, is also selling other IoT smart accessories like door locks, cameras, and alarm kit. If they work together in your home, your life will be smart, safe, and comfortable.